Once if it is completed, then you can go ahead with yeah, Zomato also you can take as of now. But we can't assume that after 1 month maybe again it will comes to back to same price what it had happened. No, no. So definitely, actually, I would like to thank you for Herman support encouraging that is given on the intraday live trading series. Thank you. Without your supporting, I can't do. And and one more thing, I just want to say, I want people transparently look trades that we are taking, as well as profits or loss we made, and hopefully as a possible learning. That's it. I just want I want to say. Yeah, here Nifty Bank is still okay, but Nifty, yeah, after a long time, I came on to the online due to I have some other works. The other reason I am not able to handle three accounts at a time. The other reason I won't, I didn't come to online at. Yeah, today better give. Once again, I just want to refresh the time and date come. Every time when I was online, definitely I refreshing this timeanddate.com. It's standard website to get the time in India. Um, Today time is August 9th, Monday. Yeah, time on here you can see. Yeah, today Gail is giving better profit. Sure. Sure, definitely. Yeah, today actually I placed 3,000 quantity. Actually, previously I had been on the online. Due to that, sometimes I had to face some hesitation. I need to take. The other reason I didn't come to online for last 10 days because I just want to improve my quantity first. So I think there at that time I were placed only 1,000 quantity. So without getting station and fear only, then we can achieve in this trading. So that okay, okay. So that I can place. Okay, okay. Whenever you want, you can go for it. Okay, okay, sure. If you want to go at selling side better today, you can take the position on the Coal India. Yeah, Coal India better you can take, Ramesh. Okay, okay. Even I am not beyond the online. Every day I have been sharing the news on the WhatsApp, right? So we have a group, right? On that group, I am sharing every day any news is there. I am sharing on that. Ramesh. I think you are not observing that. Okay. Sensex Nifty, how can you Sensex and Nifty you can assume at entered not only us, no one can assume that today the Sensex is going up, going down. There is only two ways based on the European markets and based on the US market previous day how they traded. Based on this, we can assume that whether it is up or down. Except that we can, except those two we can't assume. And there is a one chance you can get at least 20% clarity today's market going up, going down, but always it's not be success. But there is 20% success is there remains there. Actually, our market is open at 9 o'clock, right? But Asian market like those countries like Japan Nikkei there, Hang Seng is there, Straight Times is there. Those countries opened previously before 1.5 hour. If your time is 9, uh, compare with the time at 7:30 to 7:40 time in Indian time. Those markets are opened, so you can watch them. Based on that, it's our market also will open. Only it's 20% is of possibility there, not 100%. Prediction is not always be successful, but the prediction only for that our satisfaction and uh, that it gives us the chance to decide our if you decide in which side we have to go. Based on that exemption we can decide. Yeah, Bank Baroda, no, no, don't go for Bank Baroda. I already yesterday Bank Baroda reaches its second level resistance, support not resistance level, it's reached. So today don't go for the Bank Baroda buying side. Yeah, if you want, you can go with the selling side, but only below 1,000 quantity only. Better to take the place on Bank Baroda. More than 1,000 quantity, don't place on it. Actually, okay, as per our opinion, if we talk, yesterday Nifty and Sensex both are made down, got down, but all stock indexes are got up, right? So as of now, we can't assume that. And one more thing, this August, end of this 31st, mean next month is September. September 1st onward, there is no limit for intraday people also. Yeah, whenever September 1st is came, then only we can assume that the complete margins are removed. Already, as of now, 75% margins are removed. Remaining 25% this September 1st onwards, we won't get it completely. How much amount it needed to take the place on particular company, total amount you need to take. So let us wait. That's it. More than that, we can't do anything, right? Yeah, it's CNBC TV, CNBC TV channel. Every update is there in stock market. Is every time for every second immediately. So better whenever you are trading, just keep watching the CNBC channel continuously, along with your trading positions by watching. Today, actually, I just want to place the 4,000 quantity, but I didn't assume the market perfectly. That's the reason I placed 3,000 quantity. If I have confidence with the market, if I got confidence with the market, predictable means 80% above. If I can predict the market, then I place 4,000 quantity. If below 80% of prediction, if I get, then I place 2,000, 3,000 quantity, 2,500 like that. So until unless getting the proper prediction, we can't go for it. Even sometimes if you get 90% of prediction, if you think that it is right prediction, that day itself you may get a loss also. Yeah, that's the reason better to maintain stop loss always. The people who are not maintaining the stop loss, it's very dangerous. So suppose 2 or 3 days you may get profits, but if you want to follow the stop loss at one time, whatever the profit you had got previously, total amount you will lose in single day. So better follow the stop loss. If you won't take place the stop loss, sometimes market make you tempt. Okay, Federal Bank. My target is 14 points. 14 points, yeah. 14 points means 3 into 14, 42,000. Once if I reach 42K, immediately I close the market. 14 points. Yeah, as of now, it's 31 means 10 points. As of now, 31,000, 30,450 means. And this is my client ID in, yeah, Nifty Bank Nifty 198 above. Nifty is still 180. Okay. Bank Borrowed here you can see. Again, I am refreshing the time and date comments August 9th, Monday. Yeah, yeah, as of now, time is 12 o'clock, right? Afternoon 12 o'clock means I think better. Always I am trying to close the market before 12:30 because you know why I am closing 12:30 before the European markets opened at 12:30 exactly. So if the European markets open negatively, our market also there is a chance to get to fall down. If European markets open positively, our market get positive open. So that better if you are in a profit at the time of 12:15 to 12:30 with that small profit or big profit, no problem. Better to exit below 12:30. Yeah, we can't assume that European markets open positively or negatively. So that if you are in profit side, 12:15 to 12:30, then before close 12:15. As of now, we are near to 30k means I have placed 3,000 quantity means as of now I am in 10 points. So if I get four more points, I will close the market because my target is 14 points only. More than that, I am not expecting, and time is also 12 o'clock. I have only 30 minutes of time. If there is a chance, 1 second, I am getting some customer care. Second, it's not, customer care call that every day. I'm sorry, sorry to disturb. Today, Apollo Tire, neutral. Gale giving better profit. Today, Gale giving better profit and Apollo Tire giving some negative. But don't worry, don't worry. Don't no need to don't get fear on Apollo Tire. Apollo Tire also recovered very soon, very soon. Mm, Actually, you should take a buy position on the Apollo Tire, but you have taken the sell position on Apollo Tire. In which scenario you are taking, I don't know. Yeah, okay, 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 no problem. Even though don't worry, but you may not get the profit, but you won't get loss. Be patient. Yeah, of course you may not get the profit. Already you are in loss. As of now you are in loss side. So first you have to think about the that loss should be recovered. Whether you are getting profit or secondary, first loss should be recovered. Later you can think on the profit. Okay, okay. 32. Near to 11 points, I have three more points. If I come, I just want to close the market and not required, not required. Chandu, not required. At any time you can message me on the WhatsApp. I will reply to you. If I won't see immediately, I will reply to you when I see. That's it. But I won't neglect any messages. At any time when I am free, all messages I check. Zomato you can take this, but I can't tell because it's recently came into the market. So after 1 month, I can't assume that. Yeah. IPOs is coming out. It's small scale, so you won't get heavy margin, right? Mm.
Okay, all right, Manisha as well as Peter, thanks very much for taking us through that. Thanks, Manisha, for joining in and giving us that update on the commodity segment. On that note, we need to wrap up with the news that the mid cap still underperforming. Bank Nifty holding up. It's a wrap on halftime report. This is lunch up next.
33, exactly 11 points we are in. Today market is very sideways. Yeah, at any time you can. My mobile maybe I won't lift, but at any time you can message me. Yeah, that's what I told just. Um, 90% I won't leave the phones, but you can message me at any time. I don't mind. You can freely ask me.
What the world needs now is people.
Yeah, as per my opinion, taking position short term, long term, we, we don't have that patience. Entered, there is a risk to do the trade if you don't have proper knowledge. Then better to take short term position like for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months positions. By taking the advice from your financial advisors, taking the advice and then you can take a place on short term. Better quit the intraday. Intraday without having proper knowledge, don't do the intraday because first 4 5 days you may get small profits, but at one fine day you will get total loss the profits what you have got for the last 4 to 5 days. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. Sure, sure. 34 5. I think near to 12 points I have. Once my 14 points reaches, I just want to close the. I will come out from the online and I will be on the WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Once my 14 points is reaches, as of now, I think it's 12 points. 2 more points I need. Once that remaining 2 points, if I get, then my target is closed today. And I just want to close the market and I will be on the WhatsApp in 5 minutes after closing my online recording. Coming to the everyday online is not a simple issue. Hello? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yes. Yeah, small disturbance is coming from your side, Nikhil. Yeah, no, okay. No, okay, no, okay. No, no, don't exit from the Coal India. Have you taken the position on Coal India at selling side or not? Selling side, not buying, selling side. Okay. You have taken the position on selling side on Coal India. Yeah, just let it be for more time. I will tell you until unless I am telling, just keep it as it is. And once if I tell you, then you can exit from the Coal India. Until that, just wait for it. Okay. Yeah, better. Yeah, my target in year to reaches, I think it's 14 points. Okay, guys, I just want to close the market and I will be on the WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Already I have reached 13 near to 12 points above, 1.5 points. Okay.
In terms of global trends and global triggers, what could that mean for our market?
Yeah, first I need to close this recording and then I have to exit all my positions because while taking the position on the WhatsApp, it will ask for the password. While recording, if I enter my password, that password will be exposed to all the people like public. That's the reason first I close the recording and then exit from the market after that. Federal Bank, no, don't take the position as of now. Already time is 12. After 12, no, don't take the position of Federal. If you want to take the position on the banking sector, today's bank Nifty will be in a positive set. So if you want to take the position on the Federal Bank, wait until the 12:30. Once after 12:30, just to go and watch the European markets. If European markets also open in a positive way, then you can take the position in the Federal Bank. But below 1,000 quantity only you need to take. More than 1,000 quantity don't take. It's my advice. Sure, sure.
Business overseas and in India will improve in the second quarter, while Tata Power sees margin improvement going forward. Stocks of Nalco, BEL and Torrent Power slump after all three report quarterly performances that
Yeah, Bank Baroda. Today I am getting better profit in Bank Baroda. Actually, I lost one position which one Tata Power. Actually, I placed a position on the Tata Power also, but with a small just 5 paisa difference, I missed that order. Otherwise, I got 3 more points more. Now already I closed my positions because my target is 14 points, but the Tata Power is missed with only 5 paisa. Otherwise, I may get 3 more points. Bad luck sometimes. That 5 paisa also very valuable sometimes.
In fact, it's also the mid-cap universe which is not performing and not really contributing to the
Okay, once if it closes, I will be on the WhatsApp group. You have a group, right, Nikhil? Are you a member in the WhatsApp group or not? Yeah, then I will be on WhatsApp group. Then you can ask anything on that. But first of all, I need to close my positions. Otherwise, sometimes Nifty, Nifty, okay. Morgan Stanley overnight is okay. Morgan Stanley will always be okay, but you need to be patient. It will take more time to get the better profits. But if you are in greedy mindset, then don't take positions on Morgan. Okay, guys, I think it's nearly 12 points. I think I just want to close this, and I will be on the WhatsApp in 5 minutes. 30 near to 34 means. Yeah, in market particularly, it shouldn't be in the greediness. If you are in greedy mode, we can't do anything. So, in market, we need to be have a patience like crocodile. You know, crocodile patience. We should be like a crocodile in while trading. Otherwise, after complete the trade, our mind will be on our control. While trading is going on, our mind will be not on our control. It's under of greediness mindset control. So should be like a crocodile mindset better if you want to get better profits. Maharashtra unlocked. In Maharashtra, I think again due to Corona pandemic, again they will make but already announced that Maharashtra totally unlocked. But after 1 week or 10 days, again it will be locked. So don't follow the news again. Every time I am telling this one only. Don't follow news. But some news okay, but every news no need to follow. It will be okay. 13.4. Okay, guys. I just want to close the market here, and I will be on WhatsApp in very soon because already 13 near to 13 points reaches. So once 13 point reaches, I close it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I will come to on the WhatsApp in minutes.